In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload videos on YouTube. Over in your top right-hand corner, you're going to see a list of icons here. The first icon looks like a gray camera box with a white X. That is going to be your uploading video option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to click on the first option that says Upload Video. And once I've clicked on the upload video option, it will now redirect me into my uploading interface where I can now select files, which you'll see right here is this blue box. So when I click on the select files button, it's automatically defaulted to my desktop. Here I have created some folders where I can easily access videos that I want to upload, which I highly encourage if you are a faculty member and you're teaching multiple sections of the same course, or you have different themes in your content. It's just an easy way for you to locate what it is that you want to upload. So I'm going to click on this first folder titled YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and click on YouTube Upload Tutorial and select Open. So now I'm officially in my YouTube upload. To the right, you'll see that my video is currently processing on YouTube. I have access to my video link, which I like that YouTube has done recently with their new interface. You can actually copy your link right away while the video is processing. At the top, you're going to see title, which is required. Usually it'll give you up to 100 words. So if you don't like the title, you can change it if you like. So YouTube 1.1 is what I'm going to call it. A description is optional. I would just encourage it if you want to just give a little quick 1 or 2 sentence synopsis of what the video is about for your students, or put questions in there, whatever you see fit. Again, this is optional, you don't have to. As we continue to scroll down, this is going to be your thumbnail option. This essentially is going to be the cover page of your video. So the main title image, if you will, when someone goes to click on your video, that's what they'll see. You can see here that YouTube is auto-generating 3 for you, so you can select from either one. You can also upload a custom thumbnail. I really wouldn't encourage this though, because it has to be specific dimensions and it could just be very tedious and kind of stressful a little bit to be able to pick the perfect custom thumbnail. Here's your playlist option. I already have a tutorial on this, so I don't want to go too much into detail about this, but you can go ahead and select. If you have existing playlists available for different section numbers and stuff like that, you can add your video into a playlist or you can create a new one. And then for your audience, this is just being compliant with the COPPA law that YouTube enforces. And essentially, it's just ensuring if your content is appropriate for children or not. We are teaching college students, so I'm going to go ahead and click no. And when I click on this drop-down arrow for age restriction, I just want to make sure that it's defaulted to this. No, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. If you select the first option, it's actually going to take your video a lot longer to process on YouTube, because maybe YouTube is investigating a little bit more and making sure that it is COPPA compliant. Just stick with the second option here. It'll speed up the uploading time a lot quicker. And then as you go down to this more options, I would just leave this alone. It's already preset and defaulted. This is if you're getting paid for your YouTube video. We're not doing that with our content here. So we could just leave this alone here and click the next button. Again, this is just some more additional information on promoting your content if you were making money off of it. I would just leave this part alone. It's already defaulted, and click next. And then when you get to the third option, this is probably the most important. This is going to be your visibility for your publishing. You have 3 options here that I'm going to go over quickly. The first one is private, and what this means is that nobody will be able to access the video. Only you and the people that you send the link to will have access to it. And I even believe people that are subscribed to your channel as well. Unlisted is also similar, but with unlisted, the video is not searchable on YouTube, so somebody cannot look for it at all. The only way people can see the video is if they have the physical link that you provide them. I find that this is a really popular option with faculty because they feel like they have more autonomy and control over their instructional content, and they can make their content more exclusive to their students and have a more private audience. And then the last option is public. Anybody can see or search your video. I would leave this blank simply because I believe that most people, including myself, want access to their video right away. They don't want to schedule a date for it to upload to YouTube. But if you did want that option, you would click it. You can set the date and time of when you want it to be published. But I'm just going to go ahead and re-click this again so it'll remove that option of scheduling my upload. Here is also your YouTube link that you have that you can copy in case you forgot to copy it in the beginning. You can do that again, and it'll show a link copied to your clipboard. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And then once my video has successfully uploaded into YouTube, I'll be able to see it generated here in my YouTube Studio platform. So again, if I want to just go in, I can click the first pencil icon when I hover over my video called Details. If I need to make any necessary changes, maybe I want to update my title, description, I decided I wanted to change my thumbnail. I could do that here. If I forgot to access my video link, all I have to do is just go right to the right hand side and click on this. It'll copy it for me. And if I just want to check to make sure that all my settings went through from my uploading interface, such as my visibility, if I put it in a particular playlist, so on and so forth, you can do that as well. Once you've made your necessary changes, you can click Save. You'll know that they're saved because the box will go gray. And I'm going to go ahead and click Channel Videos with the back arrow. And that's it. You're done.